title of this experiment is Synthesis of Manganese 6 and Manganese 3 compound. The purposes of this experiment is synthesizing manganese 6 and manganese 3 compound. The working procedure of this experiment is for manganese 6 compound, test tube 1, mix 10 ml 0.09 mol potassium permanganate with 5 ml sulfuric acid. Add a little manganese dioxide, then shake it, filter the solution. For test tube 2, mix 10 ml potassium permanganate, 5 ml sodium hydroxide. Add a little manganese dioxide, then shake it. Next, filter the solution. The working procedure for manganese 3 compound. First, weigh 0.5 grams of manganese sulfate, then react with 2 ml of sulfuric acid. Add 10 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid. Cool with cold water. Add 5 drops of potassium permanganate. Mix in 50 ml of oxides and observe the changes that occur. The first experiment was conducted to make manganese 6. The first step is to prepare two empty test tubes labeled 1 and 2. Then put 4 ml of potassium permanganate into test tubes that have been labeled 2 and 1. After that, add 2 ml of dilute sulfuric acid solution into test tube 1 and 2 ml of dilute potassium hydroxide into a test tube 1. The result obtained in the test tube 1 and 2 of the solution would turn it purple. Then a small amount of manganese dioxide was added to each test tube. In the test tube 1 and 2, the solution remained purple. After filtering in the test tube 1, the solution changed color to light purple, while in the test tube 2, the solution changed color to blackish green. In the manufacture of manganese 3, the first step is to weigh 0.5 grams of manganese sulfate. Then put into a test tube and react with 2 ml of sulfuric acid. The solution becomes clear. After that, 10 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid were added, which resulted in a cloudy solution, and there were still insoluble manganese sulfate granules. Then the solution is cooled with cold water and added 5 drops of potassium permanganate and 50 ml of oxides. The solution turns brown. After carrying out the above practicum, it can be concluded that the manufacture of manganese 6 can occur using a base, which is marked by a change in the color of the solution from purple to green. Compound in manganese 6 containing permanganate ions are only stable in alkaline condition. This shows a positive reaction from manganese 6. Meanwhile, in the manufacture of manganese 3, it can be seen from the color change that occur, which were initially clear to dark brown, which was a positive reaction from the manufacture of manganese